Unity Kista really felt like a home away from home for me. A quiet, calm place I can come back to after classes and just relax and study.
We are now in Unity Kista Campus, located in Stockholm, and we have 357 student apartments. It's a concept where you have fully furnished apartments, just move in. We have a small apartment, but we have large common areas, lounges, terraces. A new, simple way of living.
Moving in was so flawless and painless. I don't have to buy any furniture. They already sent me the keys on my digital cell phone. So once I moved in, I just opened my cell phone, opened the app, and moved right in. It was so easy for me.
When we as a property owner choose the access solution, we looked on a modern, environmentally and user-friendly system that also going to save us a lot of money. We don't need any physical keys when we use the VingCard Livy app system. It's very easy to program and also delete a key if it's necessary. It's a high security system because we know who is entering our buildings all the time.
I would definitely recommend digital keys. I just think it's much more personalized. There's a lot more security. I don't have to worry about other people copying my key, and I don't have to worry about forgetting my key somewhere. It's right there, and it's also specially assigned for me. That's what I love about it the most.